make sure to always have time for yourself. You see, this is how it looks like. So see, that's the Sandman, and very scary, right? So our JJ would help us to protect the city from these very scary monsters. It's like your friends, be there for them, there for you guys. So let's just remove this barrier, and let's see. I think they didn't see it, so let's just open here from here, and let's just open this. So you can see now JJ will help us protect the city. So they are like your friends who are very supportive of the things you like and you love. Alright guys, as you can say, and it's very clear here that they do everything for you to enjoy it. So sorry for my computer lagging, but this is how they protect us from this very scary creature mod in Minecraft. You see, they are happy, but it isn't what they are supposed to do, right? So you can see, I've opened the portal for them to save the city, but I still need to open here because they would